Lini is making her breakfast.
Pancake.
Pancake, is it? What is that you're doing?
A pancake.
Pancake. It's an egg.
It's egg.
Yeah, we're going to make scrambled egg. Can you say scrambled egg?
Oh, what?
What's the color of the egg there, honey?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Where's Ati?
It's no sleeping.
Ati's still sleeping, isn't she? While Lini is making breakfast already. With her friend
Mama done.
Piggy. Thank you, sweetheart, for helping Mama. Show your Piggy to Tita and Tito. Look. What's the name of your piggy? Kado?
Kada.
What's piggy's name, honey? Banggaan ang kamera.
Here it is.
Oh, here it is.
Newfoundland, Tenerife.
Maybe we'll go to Newfoundland so we can go
Mommy,
to
I want piggy. I
Italian.
want piggy. Please, I want piggy, please. Papa. I want to eat.
I want to eat. Apples and...
No.
No.
Apple.
I like to eat. Apples and...
Bananas.
I like to eat. Apples, Amber.
No.
No.
I love you very much, Liam. Give Daddy a kiss, Daddy go.
He's got 10 shells.
Where's Daddy going?
Shells some cash. Flex it. Carl. Go
Where does Daddy normally go? To exercise. Where? Yeah, where?
We'll get it done.
Where?
I listen, bro. Big love to you and your
Where does Daddy go?
Yeah, thank you, bro. We'll
Exercise.
see you. We're gonna come back through here, right?
Exercise, honey.
We're gonna do a night.
I love you.
Yeah.
You are my naughty little girl.
Run.
Hey?
Naughty daddy.
No. Naughty mommy.
Naughty Nini.
Naughty Nini.
Naughty daddy, mama.
The Conscious is the best lounge and check it out there. If I can pull some YouTube, let's go. Anyway,
Huh?
where are we going? 1 second. We're going to
Ito yung mga binili ko from AliExpress, guys. Kasi mag-start na si Baby Celine next week ng childcare niya. Kailangan niya ng mga basic. Ayan, pwede niyang pintahan, pwede niyang, kahit anong gawin niya, okay lang. Kasi, ano to sila, ang tawag nito? Sa AliExpress ko binili, hindi sila kamahalan. So this one, I don't know if it's going to fit Celine. Hindi siya masyadong stretchy. And no wonder it's cheap, right? But yeah, you get what you pay. Ayan, no, medyo see-through pa siya. But anyways, we'll see if magkasya kay Baby Celine. I actually bought more stuff, so hopefully makarating soon. Here's another one. Tingnan niyo. But this one is really nice. Ito kasi siya, 3 packs ata ito siya. Kaiba yata ito. Hindi maganda yung quality. Hindi katulad nito. Ito siya, it's better, much better kumpara dun sa isa. Tapos na-stretch pa siya. Tapos makapal. Tapos meron pa tayong mga socks sa Ate Paris. This one. Ayan. Hi, Kaka. Bapaligay ko. Nag-chat kami ng mama ko guys sa Pinas. Ito ang aking pamangkin. Say hi to my vlog, Kat. Hi. Say hi. Oh, anak yan ng kuya ko guys. Puntas na sila ng school. Oh, ang aking mother dear.
Tita, ito na ni Tita.
Napalong man hino. Oh, meron pa nito. Ala. Apat pala yung binili kong ganito. Oh, it's good. It's good for Ate Paris. Pang school niya. Pinakita ko na to sa inyo ba? Last time. Ito siya. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda nito guys. Binili ko to for Celine but it looks like kasya pa siya kay Ate Paris. No. But yeah, this is for Celine. Sobrang cute naman ito eh. Amoy bulanon. Alam mo yung nagbibenta sa merkado na bulanon? Ganyan ang amoy. But yeah, it's nice. Kasi minsan sa school, nag-ano sila pajama day. So maganda yung may may pang-aura kang pajamas, hindi yung nasa pangbahay talaga, di ba? Pero watch this. Honey, go?
Please.
Please? Which one? Yeah, I'm gonna get like this, the white one. Is that around? Yeah, I'll grab that one, please. You share with Ati, okay? Yeah, share with Ati. Share with Ati. Come. Hold on to your scooter. Hi guys, can you see us? It's so bright. Oh, nandito kami ngayon sa Bulimba kasi we will cross the river. Park kami dito, punta kami ng Bulimba Ferry Station kasi pupunta kami ng Tenerife. So we'll take the kids for a scoot, for a skate. Tingnan mo sila. Celine ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. Ayan, kagising lang. Dari Mike, ayan, dala ng kanyang skate. How do you call it, Bob? Roller skate? Nabili from Ukay-Ukay.
Oy!
Oh, yung Ukay palang ka. O, pamanay kusog ng bataan eh. Kagising lang eh.
Oh my God, Mommy. I'm rich. Yay! I got the one with free. Oh,
Please?
I dropped the pedal.
Oh,
Come on, girls.
fix it.
Mommy, I was the winner.
Okay.
I was the winner. I found free on this pedal.
Oh, cool.
This is a lucky. But
Is it the lucky leaf?
this is a lucky from the left.
I'm gonna use this, huh?
Yeah, but let Paris use skates for now.
Okay. So, ito yung sa akin kay Ate Paris, guys.
Yay, Mommy!
Apparently, yung maximum nito, yeah,
Got free.
ay 50 kilos. Mommy is 53.
Mommy, I'm
So.
the winner. I'm the winner. I found free.
Well done, princess.
Lini!
I dropped it.
Okay, bit-bitin ko muna ito. Bigat pa naman ito eh. Come on, let's go. It's hot, ah.
Ati, get in front.
Mama, can I put this inside? Okay. Because I don't want to use it. I want to keep it because it's from the...
Okay. I'll tie your hair when we're in the ferry. Okay? Okay, kalo ate. Careful kalingling. You okay? That's a city cat, honey. We're getting the kitty cat. Is that right? Oh. Come on, keep going. Dito na kami sa ferry station. It's okay. We'll go to the next one.
We just gotta take eggs in again.
Nah.
What happened if
Okay.
the other one goes that way?
No.
Does it go the same way?
Yeah, let me just do your hair.
No.
Okay, we'll just do your hair quickly, huh? So it's not on your face. Look, wait, sweet. Did you say the fairy honey?
Says thank you, mommy.
Very sad.
Yeah, very sad.
Come on, Bebe. How much did you buy it for, eh?
$12. Para ng brand is. I'm starting Cairo. Come on.
Tignan nyo, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike, guys. Alam niyo ba, kung matagal na kayo nakasubaybay ng channel natin, sa Melbourne kami, bumili rin ng ganito si Daddy Mike sa ukay-ukay, sa op shop. And while he was using it, ay natanggal yung dito, guys. Yung kanyang napalapa. Grabe, sobrang tawa ko. Pag makita ko yung link doon. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below para matawa din kayo. Grabe pa, ano pa siya, guys, pa style pa siya ang kanyang pa ride ng kanyang ganito. Tapos natanggal yung dito, oh. So funny.
Daddy.
Daddy will come back. Daddy was just checking. Yeah?
I'm not the one.
Quickly ni, faster. Ferry na kami. Alam niyo bang gagawin namin, guys? We'll just cross there. Just across the river. Stop lang. Mama will hold you, okay? Hello,
What's my roller skating?
Got it. Yay! Yay!
Where's my bike?
There. Ano lang to, guys, the trip. Is it 1 minute trip? Isang minuto lang yung trip, ah.
Are you gonna ride our bike?
Yeah!
When we get off? You look like Anya's eyes.
No, only nice.
Rainy eyes.
Ah, napakainit. Why are we outside, Bob? Ate! Ate! Giga!
That's yours.
Oh, you can use that for now. Kakadating lang namin, guys. Ayan. So, literally just across the river.
What, want me to put this in the water?
Yeah. So, dito pumupunta si Daddy Mike, guys, kapag nagtatrabaho siya. So, from Balimba, just cross the river for, you know, at least a minute and a half, maybe. And then you're here. So, now, we're in Tenerife. Malapit na dito yung work ni Daddy Mike. What's wrong?
See yourself again.
Mag-skate na pala kami from here. Which way we're going, Daddy? Just along the river?
Well, that is going to be spooky for me.
So, yan kay Baby Celine. Kay Mami, ako yung magamit kay Ate Paris.
How nice.
Nice ones? Nice?
Yes. Oh, nice. The thing.
Thanks, Lily.
Ah, stay here, Ling Ling. Which one is this? Ah, this side. Tingnan niyo silang tatlo. Oh.
Too hard. It's too bumpy. And it's too hard.
Okay, keep going. Nabilis ni Lini, oh. Lini, away from the water, nak!
Mommy's going to my scooter, right?
Yes. Go.
Look.
Look where you're going, Ate. Oh.
I guess I'm going to go here. Which is actually
yung aking camera guys. Nakita niyo ba? May puti kasi sinaga ng araw. May crack. Yes.
Mommy, it's so boxy. I can't do it.
Okay, to the point where it's not bumpy anymore. Careful, don't be going. Maybe there it's smoother. Oh, it's super nice in here. Good job.
That's the leader. Mommy's the leader.
Look where you're going, Ate. Woo! Good job. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Ay, ayo. Relax muna kami dito, guys. Ah, God. Malayo-layo na rin yung nalakbay namin, ha? Lainey, very thirsty, oh. You're doing really well, Ling.
Here. I'm gonna do it. You wanna do it?
Okay, you do it. There. And then come back, okay? It's okay here kay may ano man, oh. Tangkal. May tangkal. Hindi mahuhulog. Oh. Okay, come back.
Stop it, Lee.
Come back na, come back. Oo. Come back. Naasal na ba yung isa? Woo! Good job. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Again.
Mommy.
Okay, again.
Is this fun? Lee, you're flying. Me too?
Ate Paris, alak ka.
Careful, girls.
Good girl, Lini.
Go!
Come on now, you can come back.
Baby drop.
Mura magtiyog nagbakya. Head. You okay?
I win.
Well done. Good job.
You're
Okay.
the bug. You're the bug, Mommy.
Huh?
You're the bug.
On the bug.
You're the bug.
Where?
Bye. You're the bug.
Where?
You're the bug. The black.
You're the
This one, the black one. This is mine.
No, at this bike.
Oh, it's Ati's bike. Yeah, I'll borrow Ati's bike, okay? Because Mama doesn't have scooter.
She'll be tired.
Mama will borrow Ati's, okay? Lang. Wait, stop, Lenny. Daddy's coming. Time check, guys. It's nearly 4 o'clock. Nandito pa rin kami sa Tenerife. Nag-skate pa rin. Tsaka nag-scoot ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. And I just stopped here sa side. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I'll find like a quiet place. Kasi I need to call someone. So this is very, very important, guys. Kasi just a while ago, nakatanggap ako ng tawag. I missed the call and nag-iwan sila ng voicemail. At ito yung sabi niya.
Good morning, Jody. My name's Savina calling from California. Hope you're well. Please give me a buzz back when you can on 04161822. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
So, to be honest, guys, hindi ko narinig ng mabuti yung pangalan ng kumpanya kung saan siya tumatawag from. And, na-realize ko, kasi na-remember ko 2 days ago, nakatanggap ako ng email. Yes, honey girl. Mommy. Nakatanggap ako ng email from Seek. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yung app na yun yung ginagamit ko para mag-apply ng job. Nag-send sila sa akin ng email na may isang kumpanya na nag-download ng aking resume, ng aking CV. Doon ko na-connect. Sabi ko, I think maybe that's the name of the company. Tapos, I listened to it again, yung voicemail, and na-confirm ko na yun talaga siya. Sinearch ko yung pangalan ng kumpanya online kasi, you know, I want to know something before calling them back. And it looks like they are like a recruitment company. So sa Seek, meron silang lots of jobs listed. Actually, chinek ko. I'll see kung anong meron sila. Bakit nila ako tinawagan. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully, they have something. That's, you know, for sure they have something. That's why tinawagan nila ako, diba? They've got my resume and also maybe, you know, they want to talk about something. So, that's why I'm going to give her a call back now and see kung anong meron.
A few moments later.
So, I called her back. Walang sagot. Nag-ring lang yung phone niya, guys. So, I left a voicemail. So, sabi ko, sorry, I missed your call this morning. And, yeah, if you could give me a call back, that would be great. So, we'll see kung tatawag siya ulit.
Ouchie, because I was
Oh, yeah.
riding.
Here, kiss it, start. Show them. Oh, no.
And I'm gonna show you my skating. But it's very easy here.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay. Really? No answer, Daddy.
Argue.
Your message?
I accept the message. What happened, baby?
Argue. Mama.
Okay.
Argue.
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 Oh, it's eagle. Ay, it's eagle. Did Daddy say it's eagle?
Ate.
I'm riding my bike.
Well done.
Good job.
Your bike is over there.
Wow, did you break? Oh, lovely. That's
Over
good.
there. Go girls. Ate, try and go this way. Oh.
We just got home, guys. After naming mag-scooter, ay pumunta kami ng shops.
Yeah.
At ito yung isa sa mga pinamili namin. No, sweetie girl. Enough with that one, okay?
Why?
Later again. Enough. Oh, yeah.
This one cannot breathe.
So, binili ko to for the girls, guys. Bagong toothbrush
Like, that's
na merong, ayan, merong
not
battery.
free.
So, bumili ako nito. Yeah, I know it's working. It's got battery. Bumili ako nito sa TK Maxx. Ganyan. Charger. This one is, kano ba to kahaba? Alam ko. 4 meters ata to. $17. Ayan. Some, sweet nati Paris. Bili ako ng socks. Socks is really important na yung school na yung dalawang kids. Ayan. It's okay. We can get it tomorrow. And then, oh, this one. We sprayed it, guys, doon. This is room spray for $7. Oh my god, it smells so good. Nah! Smell. Oh my god, seriously.
Let me
Ang
smell.
sarap matulog dito sa kwarto, guys.
Mommy, let me smell.
Left. Smells so good. Kung ma-smell nyo lang sana siya through the camera.
Can I have it for a minute?
And ocean yung kanyang. We've got this water bottle for Celine. Yan, ito yung binili ko kasi it looks like it's good quality. Alam nyo ba, ito ha, maliit na water bottle, $20.
Nothing in the bed, sir.
But nakita ko, maganda yung quality niya, leak-proof. So, you know, Celine needs something like that sa school niya. And, alam nyo ba kung bakit binili ko tong maliit kumpara doon sa malaki? Kasi, kapag maliit, madaling maubos and fresh ulit yung water na mailalagay mo. So ayan. Parang yan yung na-realize ko since Ate Paris. And I bought new set toothbrush. So I got 4. Ayan. Nice. $9 to shop for the toothbrush. Nakasale kasi. Got some yogurt for the kiddos. Toothpaste. There's toothpaste for the girls, the kids. Manga. Apple. Strawberries. Noodles.
Mommy,
More yogurt.
do you know where my is?
Here. Are you reading, Ling Ling? Ang ating baby Celine at ate ay nakaligo na guys. Rin yung lang buhok. Basang-basa pa. Gusto nilang mag-read ng story before bed. Tingnan yung ginawa nila.
Can we read this one?
May bahay sila sa bed. So, basahan ko lang sila nito guys para makatulog na kasi ano.
I want to do this one.
Yeah. Should we say good night now?
Good night.
Yeah. Because we're
Good
gonna...
night.
Good night guys. We're gonna read the book before we go to sleep.
A few moments later.
ng gabi. Napatulog ko na yung mga girls. And magbabrush na sana ako ng teeth ko guys. Kaya lang, tuwan ko ba? Naisipan ko lang magluto ng turon. Yes, midnight snack tayo. Yung dinner namin kanina, very light lang. Yung niluto ni Daddy Mike na sa slow cook. And konti lang ba, very light. So, feeling ko, like, gutom pa ako. So, update pala kanina doon sa, yung recruitment company na tumawag sa akin. So, I tried to call her back, diba? And she didn't answer. And then I realized, pagtingin ko sa email ko, may email pala siya sa akin. Hi, Jovi. I hope you're well. I came across your CV on Seek and I thought your background is good for the role that we are working on at the moment. I'm keen to discuss this role further with you. When is the best time for us to have a quick chat? I look forward to hearing back from you. So yeah, so that's obviously now I know that there's something.